This is Mrs. Knopf, and today we are going to continue in our method book on the alto saxophone with line 12, 3-note rumba. So we're going to go through our music and see what we have, and then we'll play. So as always, we start with our treble clef. Then we have our time signature. We are in 4/4 time. The top number tells us the number of beats per measure. The bottom number gives us the value of the whole note or whole rest. And we use that to figure out the value of everything else. So we do have whole notes and a whole rest. They get 4 beats. And when the whole note gets 4 beats, half of a whole is a half, and half of 4 is 2. So our half notes get 2 beats. And then half of a half is a quarter, and half of 2 is 1. So our quarter notes get 1 beat. So now we're going to go through and see what we have. In the first measure, we have 2 half notes that are on the 4th line, so those are D's. D is your octave key, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then the next measure we move to 2 quarter note B's on the 3rd line, just that first finger, back to D, 2 quarter notes on the 4th line, and then we have a whole note C on the 3rd space, just the middle finger. On the next line we have a whole rest, so you have a little bit of a break. Then we play 2 half note C's, still on the 3rd space, still middle finger. Then the next measure we are moving B, C, D, C, and then we end on the B 3rd line. So I'm going to play that at 80 beats per minute and start each note with a t sound. So here we go. 1, 2, ready. And next line. And that's it for line 12, 3-note rumba. I hope that was helpful, and I hope you're able to play along, and we'll see you next time.